So I'm trying not to yell today because my apartment is completely empty. Thank the Lord Jesus, I am moving. I hated this apartment so much. The landlords were very crappy. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my bomb straight hair. This is usually what I do routinely when I have super long straight hair. This is what I do to get it, you know, bomb straight as possible. Now, I will talk about the products that I use before we hop into the quote-unquote tutorial. So first things first, this hair is from a company called Allove hair, and they did send me 3 bundles in enclosure. It was 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch 4x4 closure, and this is their straight hair. So I've been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks, so I do have some stuff to talk about. But the stuff that I'm going to talk about is going to be in an additional video, and that's going to be a review for the people interested in this hair. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my routine for summer, you know, an anti-humidity type of straightening tutorial because this works every time. I actually started using this spray back in 2016 when I was a senior in high school, and it actually does a pretty good job for me as far as straightening. This is the only product I use in it. Of course, I did use oil and my wax stick to flatten the top of the wig. Like always, you have to do that. So that doesn't really count. But yes, this is what I use. It is by Garnier Fructis, and it's straightening mist. So it quote unquote helps your hair get straight. Do I believe the hype? I do, because I've seen, you know, body wave hair get straight with this spray. Body wave hair can get straight regardless, but getting straight and staying straight is a difference. So if you guys buy this, I guarantee you will not regret it. It was about $4.99 or $3.99 at Target, probably cheaper at, you know, like Walmart. So definitely check that out. But yes, Allove hair sent me this gorgeous straight hair, and it has been holding up pretty darn good. I washed it. And I've been wearing it a lot in a lot of hot, humid environments. So I think the hair has been holding up perfectly fine. Like I said, this is just going to be a straightening tutorial, and the next video that I will probably link in the description will be a review. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested in this hair. Nice and affordable and really good quality. Honestly, this is probably the straightest hair that I've had. I've had a lot of straight hair, but I'm saying like straight as in I flat iron it and it stays straight. So I appreciate that a ton. Shipping was really fast with this company. But if you guys want to know more details, just please watch the review video that I did for this company. And I'm going to stop talking. The hair will be linked in the description. And let's enjoy this tutorial.